Hi guys, welcome to my channel, Mommy and Me. It's all about my mom and me. Please like and subscribe. Thank you. Hi guys, I'm not drumming a drum. This is a treasure box. Are you guys excited to find out what's in it? Okay, let's open it. Do you guys know what's inside here? Can you guess? Are you excited to open this treasure box? Look, guys. My dad brought this. It has 800 beads. That's actually a lot of beads. See, it has 4 necklaces. It has 4 different colors. It has purple, it has pink, blue, and yellow. Chill out craft. You can make 8 bracelets out of here. It's unboxing time. Let's start with this one. I'm going to use these scissors to open this. I'm so excited to see what's inside here. Wow! It has string, colorful bands, and it also has some beads to put on. It also has these accessories to put on your bracelet. Now I'm going to put this stuff in the treasure box. Let's open this one. Wow. These are the necklaces. Let me put all of them in here. Now let's open this one. Wow. Kind of tricky to get this out. There we go. This is how it looks like. Now let me put this in here. This is my most favorite. You can make your own bracelet and customize it. See? There's alphabet beads or colorful beads. And here's a string. It has green, red, blue, black, and purple. Now let's make a bracelet. First, we'll take any color of string, but I'm going to pick blue. Now we just gotta untie this. I'm going to need some scissors. First, I'm going to measure my hand. This is how much the bracelet should be. Now let's add some beads here. I'm going to start with this pink bead here. Whoopsie. Now I'm gonna add the orange bead. Whoopsie. Whoops. Here. Now we're gonna add this red bead here. Now I'm gonna add this yellow bead here. Whoops, all of them fell out. Now I'm gonna add my name on the bracelet by using these. So my name starts with an A, so I'll take an A. Now I'm gonna put it on here. Next, I have an N. So now I'm gonna take an N from here. Now I have to use another A. Now I have a B in my name. Now there's an I. There is another A. We'll choose these beads from here. Now I'm going to use this light purple here. Now I'm going to use this dark blue here. Now I'm going to use this light green. I'm going to put this tassel in this bracelet. Now I'm going to use these silver beads. I changed my mind. I'm not using these beads because they're too tricky to put on. Instead, I'm using these beads that I used before. This is the end result of the bracelet. You can see my name. It's Zanabia. Let's wear this bracelet. Now guys, it's time to say goodbye. Have a nice day. And also subscribe to our channel, like every video.